This is my boiler pressure gauge. I've taken it to pieces because the pipe was broken, probably because I've pulled the boiler open so many times, and I'm going to try and fix it with a little sleeve here. This is from an electrical connector, and I'm going to solder it together and hopefully resolve the problem. It's a holiday here and I don't live near to any shops that would supply one, otherwise I would buy one. To touch a solder on this one, let's put this further back than the last one. Okay, now this should go mostly in here. If I bend that might sit up at the right angle, so I can put some down here. Now, yep, still working through it, so that's okay. Now let's put the other one in. So I can put a little more solder around this, bulk it up, because this pipe is not really ideal. Okay, if I can get it slightly sitting up. Check it. Well, certainly sealed. Let's hope it works. Not very pretty, but perhaps a good temporary repair until I can buy a new one. At least it'll get me through this long holiday weekend with hot water and heating. Okay, it's back in my boiler, and as you can see it's holding pressure. Just going to increase the pressure up to a slightly better level. There we go. Thank goodness for that. It's my horrible Ariston Microgenus boiler.